Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your MG with a key. First, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door. Insert your physical key fully into this keyhole. Then, turn the key clockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock the door mechanism. You should hear a click. Finally, pull the door handle to open the door and gain entry to your vehicle. It's a straightforward process. Sometimes, a lock can be a bit stubborn. If your key doesn't turn easily, try applying gentle, consistent pressure while turning. For a stiff lock, a small amount of graphite powder or a specialized lock lubricant spray can work wonders. Also, visually inspect the area around the door latch for any debris or obstructions that might be preventing proper operation. These simple steps often resolve minor issues. If your remote key fob isn't working, perhaps due to a dead car battery or a dead fob battery, don't worry. Most modern MG key fobs contain a hidden physical key. Locate the small release button or switch on your fob to extract this key. Once extracted, insert this physical key into the driver's door lock cylinder. Turn it to manually unlock the door, just as you would with a traditional key. This ensures entry even without power. For some MG models, especially older ones, there might be a separate keyhole for the trunk. If you need to access the trunk and the main doors are locked, check for this dedicated lock. Use your physical key to open it directly. Always consult your MG's owner's manual for precise instructions and locations of all entry points. It provides model-specific details for emergency access and other important functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.